What is up, guys, and welcome back. So basically, if I wanted, I can also show you that how can you go with the Ocean WP theme and create another website. But I wanted to show you something new and something totally new so that we can edit that completely and we can work with that. Okay, you can see that we can also create this whole type of website with our Elementor plugin and everything. But we will be editing this because this theme gives the functionality. So I wanted to show you something new, basically. Okay, what I want to do, I want to go to the pages right now, and let's go ahead and let's basically come here to the customize, and let's try to customize our website because we want to customize it. Okay, first of all, I want to change the name, so we will be giving our website, our company, a name, and then we'll start with it. So it's saying please wait, this might take a while. And we have this right here, so we can add section, we can add some stuff, and this theme also comes with a pro version. I would not recommend you to go with this pro version. Meanwhile, you can go with the pro version of the Elementor. I'm going to show you why you need the pro version of that, and we will be moving on with that later on. Okay, so, but don't buy the pro version right now. When I will tell you, you can buy that. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we need to go to the general setting. So let's go to the general settings, and we need to go to the site identity, and we want to change the site title. So our site title is going to be we are creating a website for a company, and that company name is Bukala. Okay, so this is the company name. I think this company is great. So I want to add the tagline. So my tagline is going to be the leading computers, the leading hardware company. Okay, so we are creating a website for a hardware company. Okay, the leading hardware company. Okay, and there we go. So this is now, we're totally done with this. We have set up our title, we have set up our tagline, and we also have to set up a site icon. So basically, what are the site icon? If you can see this is right, the folder right that this is coming. So this is called basically the site icon. So let's go ahead and let's create a site icon for ourselves. I want to go to the Photoshop right now, and I want to create a site icon. Also, I want to create a logo. So I'll be just doing this in just some minutes, and I'll be back when I'm done with this. So you can go with the file, and you can go with new, and we need to just go with the site icon. So for site icon, we need the pixels to be 512 by 512 pixel. Okay, I'm gonna come here, and 512 by 512. Okay, there we go. And this is our site icon. We want to add something. So for this, I think I should be adding a text right now. Okay, and that is going to be Bukala. So there we go. Or we can go with just BK for a short form because we want to show the icon, site icon. So okay, I want to go ahead, I want to increase the size of it, so I'll just increase it. Okay, I want to select them, and I have to just hit control shift, hold the control, and I want to increase this. So you can see that this is increasing right now. Okay, BK, BK. Okay, this is right now. I want to increase it a bit more. I want to click this, and you can see this is gone. I want to change the color of this. So this is going to be the black, and this will be red. There we go. One more thing I want to do. I want to change this to be a little bit of arc. Cool. I want to come here. I want to decrease the size. There we go. Here we go. Now I want to just remove the background. So I have to just click it, and you can see that the background has been removed, and we want to save this image as a PNG image. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit Control Alt Save, and I want to go to the desktop right here, and this should be saved as a PNG, and I want to name it as site icon.png. There we go. I want to come here, and I'm going to hit OK. I want to come here right now, and I want to come here, and I want to select the image, select files, let's go to the desktop, and we want to go to the site icon. So this is the one, and this is being uploaded. Here we go. I want to select, and we want to crop it as well. So this is already here. Okay, you can see this is now coming right here. This is changed. I want to do one thing. I want to add a logo right here. So our logo, the first one is the light logo, and the second one is the dark logo. So that if we change this, we go down, you can see that this is the header color which is being changed. So you can go with two logo. Okay. I want to come here to Photoshop right here, and for the logo size, basically, I think we should go Control New, Control N, and we want to change the logo size. So logo size is going to be 512 by, not 512, it should be 1200. Let's see. This is the logo size. So I think this is being so much increased. Oh yes, this is cool. Okay, I want to add something right here. I want to add the blue color. Okay, let's select this, and let's decrease the font size. Okay, and I want to change this to red. The red one. So this will be my logo one. Okay, let's click here, and let's save it. So this will be my logo one. I want to save it as PNG. Logo1.png. And I want to create a logo 2 as well, in which this color would be red, and this will be black. Okay, so you can create basically logos like this. I'm just showing you that how the logos works basically. Okay, I want to come here to PNG right here again, and I want to select this to be logo2.png. Okay, let's hit OK. Let's come here to desktop right here. I want to go to select logo. I want to go to upload files. I want to select files, and I want to go to the desktop. So this is my logo one. Select. I want to crop it. Okay, cool. This has been cropped. I want to hit crop image. So it's going to come right here. I hope I've chosen the right size. Okay, and I want to go down, and you can see that this logo is being same, but I want to change the color. So I want to go to the dark logo. I want to select the logo. I want to go to upload files. I want to come here, and here should be the logo too. So you can see that when I change my scroll over my this, you can see this will be changed. Let's come here. Let's go above right here. Let's just come to this side. Let's come here, and this as well. I want to hit crop image. So there we go. Now you can see how this is going to change. Okay, I'm going to go down, and you can see this is first black, and this is red. And now I go down, and this is red, and this is black. So you can pretty well change these stuff. Okay, then we have the logo max height. You can change the logo max height as well. You can change if you want to. Okay, but I'm going to go with the default one. That is the 70. So now what we want to do, we want to go back, and we can pretty well change ourselves with our customization colors as well. Okay, we can go with the background image and everything, but I think we don't want to do it. What we want to do is that we have two options: either to go with this theme and edit all these stuff with this theme. Okay, you can edit them completely. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just come here, you have to just click hit this, and you can change it. So you can change it like blue color. Okay, and this will be the world's leading hardware company. Okay, then we have the action button 1. So it's gonna be, I can edit it. The action button one, the button tags would be about us or something like that, about us, and it's gonna link to anywhere. And then we have the target to be same tab, and I'm gonna hit apply changes. Okay, I want to go to this right now, and I want to come here and I want to get here get a code. Okay, and then the link is going to be anything. So I want to come here and I'm gonna hit the same tab. Let's go ahead, so you can open this up in a new tab as well. So then we have about us, get a code. Okay, then we have responsive design, you can change it. Okay, you have to come here to browse icon, and you can choose an icon that you want to add right here. And then you can come here and then you can hit apply changes. So this is basically pretty very easy, and I don't think so if I should show you, because you guys already know how to change this. You just have to come here, and this is the portfolio. Portfolio means the projects that you have done. So you can come here, you can go to the browse image, browse icon, and there we go, you're totally done. So this is how you can manage it completely. I don't think so if I should show you. You can also add a section if you want to. These sections are available in pro version, so I would not recommend you to go with this theme pro version. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just come here and you have to hit publish. Okay, we're totally done with our home page. Let's just design our new page, and that will be our about page. Okay, so you can basically change this completely. I don't think so if I should show you this. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit close, and I want to go to the dashboard right here. Okay, let's go to the pages and all pages. I want to add a new page, and that will be about page. Okay, and I want to come here to default template. I want to come here and I want to hit publish. Let's see our page right now. How is it looking? So this is how our page is looking. We have our home, about service, the world, the leading hardware company is also coming. So I can just change this front page template, page with left sidebar, page with right sidebar. But I want right now, I just want to go with the edit with Elementor. Okay, it's going to take me to the Elementor page, and here I can edit it completely. So you can see that you have to basically carry on with this header right now, because you can change that if you want to. You cannot edit this, but if you want to edit this header right here, what you have to do, you have to just come here and then you have to hit customize. Okay, and I think if this theme gives you the ability to customize this header if you want the changed header right here. So okay, we have this hero. Okay, we have inner pages hero right here. You can change these hero if you want to. You can change the color type to be an image right here, and this is going to be an image. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, I think this looks pretty well. Okay, I think this looks good well. I'm gonna go to back. The inner page is hero, and the text should be show subtitle. I don't think so if we need this. About is fine. I'm gonna go to publish right now, and you can see that this is published still here. So this is how you can manage pretty well any of the theme. And now here we want to add some stuff. Okay, what we want to add is that we can first let's go ahead and let's hit view page. Let's come here and let's just hit this again so that nothing changes. You can see this is how our website is looking. If we go down, our header is being changed. Now what I want to do, I want to add a new section, and then we're going to edit that. So I'm going to hit add new section. This is right here. I want to come here, I'm going to hit this, and now here we can edit this whole theme. So in the next video, I'll show you that how can you edit this whole theme and how can you work with it. Stay tuned guys, and bye-bye.